How to turn a portrait video into landscape in CapCut. If you have a portrait video and want to convert it into a landscape video, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open your project in CapCut. Now click on Ratio at the bottom of the screen. From the options, select 16:9. This is the standard landscape format used for YouTube and most horizontal videos. After changing the ratio, you'll notice black bars on the sides because the original video is vertical. To fix this, there are two methods you can use. The first method is to select your video clip and zoom in using the edges. You can also reposition the video to focus on the important part. However, this method may crop out parts of your video. So another option is to create a blurred background effect. First, select your video clip. Press Ctrl+C to copy it and then press Ctrl+V to paste it. Now line up both clips so they match perfectly. Select the bottom video layer. Resize it so it fills the entire widescreen area. Next, click on Effects from the top menu. Use the search bar and type Blur. Choose a blur effect and drag it onto the bottom video layer. This will create a blurred background while keeping the main video clear in the center. Once everything looks good, click on Export in the top right corner. Then click Export again to save your landscape video. And that's it, you've successfully converted a portrait video into landscape format in CapCut.